In this video, I'll be covering 50 simple verbs that are commonly used in Hindi. Let's jump right in. A verb in Hindi can have many forms, sort of like in English, but instead of the whole word changing like the go, went, and gone in English, Hindi verbs just change their endings, which they do based on the gender and number of the subject or sometimes the object and the tense of the sentence. For example, karta, karte, kar liya, karunga, kar chuka, etc. What we will learn today are the infinite forms of the verbs. These are the forms that do not change when used in sentences. They end with the suffix na, like karna, hona, khana, pina, etc. So this here is the infinite form along with the meaning in English. This is how you will be pronouncing it. Actually, this is the approximate way to pronounce it. You'll have to listen when I'm saying it to ensure that you have the correct pronunciation. This is how it will be written in Devanagari, which is the written script of Hindi. And if you do know how to read it, this would be the exact way to pronounce it in about 99% of cases. And this here is the verb stem that you get when you remove the infinite ending or the na from a verb. This stem is then used when we work with tenses. For example, karta, karte, kar rahi, etc. If you notice, all these three examples have the verb stem kar constant in them. I do have a few videos on tenses so far, so you can check those out if you're interested. I'll link them in the description. Anyway, back to verbs. Let's begin. Karna, 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 which means to do. The verb stem or the verb root is kar. Karna, kar. By the way, kar means do. Okay, so karna will be to do and kar will be do. And this will be the same for all the other verbs, so I won't be repeating it for all the other verbs, okay? Next. Hona. Hona. To be. Hona. The root or the stem is ho. Hona. Ho. Khana. Khana. To eat. The root is kha. Kha. Khana. Kha. Pina. Pina. To drink. The stem is pi. Pina. Pi. Dekhna. Dekhna. To see. The stem is dekh. Dekh. Dekhna. Dekh. Sunna. Sunna. So you will add sun and na. So you will have a double N sound, okay? It's not sunna, it's sunna. To hear. The stem is sun. Bolna. Bolna. To speak or to talk. The stem is bol. Bolna. Bol. Kehna. Kehna. To say. Kehna. The stem is keh. Kehna. Keh. Poochna. Poochna. To ask. The stem is pooch. Poochna. Pooch. Batana. Batana. To tell. The root is bata. बताना, बता. गाना, गाना. To sing. The stem is ga. गाना, गा. नाचना, नाचना. To dance. The stem is नाच. नाचना, नाच. आना, आना. To come. The root is a. आना, आ. जाना, जाना. To go. The stem is ja. जाना, जा. उठना, उठना. This can mean to stand up or to wake up. The root is ut. उठना, उठ. बैठना, बैठना. To sit. Its stem is बैठ. बैठना, बैठ. लेटना, लेटना. To lie down. The stem is late. Letna does not mean to sleep, okay? It just means to lie down. Letna, late. Chalna, chalna. To walk. Stem is chal. Chalna, chal. A quick word. If you're finding this useful, please let me know your thoughts in the comments or give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover the channel. And if you want to watch more beginner Hindi videos, be it speaking, vocab, or even writing, do subscribe and switch on notifications. And thanks a lot for watching so far. Rukna, rukna. To stop. The root is ruk. Rukna, ruk. Girna, girna. To fall down. And the stem is gir. Girna, gir. Bhagna, bhagna. To run. Its root is bhag. Bhagna, bhag. Hasna, hasna. To laugh. The stem is has. Hasna, has. Rona, rona. To cry. The stem is ro. Rona, ro. Sona, sona. It means to sleep. Its stem is so. Sona, so. Sometime back we just saw letna. So I said that doesn't mean to sleep, right? So letna means to lie down and sona means to actually sleep. Next is jagna. Jagna. To wake up. And the stem is jag. Jagna, jag. पढ़ना, पढ़ना. This is either to read or to study, and the root is पढ़. पढ़, पढ़ना, पढ़. लिखना, लिखना. To write, and its root is लिख. लिखना, लिख. समझना, समझना. To understand, stem is समझ, समझ. समझना, समझ. सीखना, सीखना. To learn, and the stem is सीख. So, सीखना, सीख. सिखाना, सिखाना. To teach, and the stem is सिखा. सिखाना, सिखा. The previous word was सीखना, which means to learn, and this is सिखाना, to teach. Next is जानना, जानना. And this is very similar to how we were saying सुनना, जानना, ना. Okay, जानना, जानना. To know, and the stem is जान. So, जानना, जान. बनना, बनना. To become. The stem is बन. बनना, बन. बनाना, बनाना. To make, and the stem is बना. बना. Okay, so banana, बना. देना, देना. To give, the root is दे. दे, देना, दे. लेना, लेना. To take, and its stem is ले. लेना, ले. खरीदना, खरीदना. To buy, root खरीद, खरीद. खरीदना, खरीद. बेचना, बेचना. To sell, and its stem is बेच. बेचना, बेच. खेलना, खेलना. To play, and the stem is खेल. खेलना, खेल. कूदना, कूदना. To jump, and the root is कूद. कूदना, कूद. उड़ना, उड़ना. To fly, and the stem is उड़. उड़ना, उड़. तैरना, तैरना. The sound is air. Okay, तैरना. To swim, and the stem is तैर. तैरना, तैर. चढ़ना, चढ़ना. This sound is the same as we had in padhna. Okay, so padhna and chadhna. To climb up, and the stem is chadh. Chadhna, chadh. Utarna, utarna, utarna. Utarna. To move downward or also to climb down. Its stem is utar. Utarna, utar. Phekna, phekna. To throw, and the stem is phek. Okay, phekna, phek. पकड़ना, पकड़ना. To hold or to catch, and the stem is पकड़. पकड़ना, पकड़. खोना, खोना. To lose. So when you lose something like an object, when you misplace something, so it is khona, and the stem is kho. Khona, kho. Pana, pana. To get, and the stem is pa. Pana, pa. ढूंढना, ढूंढना. To search, and the stem is ढूंढ. ढूंढना, ढूंढ. मिलना, मिलना. To meet. Root, mil. Mil. Milna, mil. And the last one for today is badalna. Badalna. To change. And the root is badal. Badalna, badal. And that was it for this one. If you found this lesson useful, you should check out this one over here. Or even better, go through this playlist over here to start your Hindi learning journey from scratch. Oh, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, take care.